How to manage data usage on UC browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your data usage easy and fast on UC browser. First thing, go to UC. Now this is the home page. Go down here and click on those three lines, click on them like this. Now click on the settings option. Now go to the top and click on add-ons. Now click on data usage option here, the second one. After you click on it, now right here you can manage and see your data saving easy and fast. As you can see here, you can see every information easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.